Into your slow cooker goes 1 diced onion, 1 diced bell pepper, 2 diced carrots. I more like made them look like that. I did a 1 sweet potato and 1 regular potato, peeled and diced. All goes into the slow cooker. I did 1 package of diced chicken tenders. They're like half thawed, half frozen, but it doesn't matter because we're cooking this all day. In they go. Now we're gonna put 2 heaping spoonfuls of garlic. Next up, we're gonna make the sauce. So I've got all my spices. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of ginger, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a whole can of coconut milk, and then 3 tablespoons of red curry paste. Listen, if you have trouble finding the curry paste, I ordered this right off of Amazon. I tried to look at my local grocery store and this little tiny jar was like $8 and I was like, they're out of their mind. I found this and it was super cheap. 3 tablespoons of this red curry paste is going in. I'm gonna whisk this together. This is looking good. You know when you can already like kind of tell something is gonna be really good? I think this is gonna be really good. I'm gonna add this into the slow cooker over all the chicken and the veggies. You wanna scrape the insides of this measuring dish, all the goodies that are stuck inside there. Stir this all around, make sure everything kind of gets coated. Show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna set this on low for about 7 hours. This crock pot will kick over to warm when it's done. And I find this slow cooker does not run hot. I feel like it runs very true to temperature. I have not burned anything in this slow cooker, so that's a plus. If you're interested, it's linked on my Amazon storefront and it's under $50. She's ready to go. We'll be back for dinner time. We're home from work and our coconut curry chicken is done. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, plate it, and we're gonna test it out and see how it is. It looks good and it smells good. Here's what it looks like. Yum. You can see all the potatoes and the chicken and the carrots. It's plated up. I have my little bowl here. I painted this bowl myself. I've just got some white rice that I made over in my rice cooker. Looks so good. I also have some naan that I toasted up. Okay, this is delicious. That curry paste I use has a little kick in it. The red curry one, a little kick, but like not, and I'm not a big heat person. It's like just enough, not a ton. This is delicious. And this is why Your Barefoot Neighbor is as popular. The recipes are top tier. If you're here for my no sweat summer, the only thing you're gonna be sweating from is any spice from the dish, and that's about it. It's delicious. I highly recommend. Give it a try and let me know what you think.